Okay, today I present to you next set of examples from chapter 2.1 Quadratic Expressions from page 45, questions 4C and 4D. I ask you now to go and revise on these three things again, the ideas that we have done in the previous set of. First one is always expand the brackets, collect like terms, and then simplify. So let's look at question 4C now. Okay, 4C. Remember that if there's no number in front of bracket, okay, we just assume that is a 1 here. So now when we expand the brackets, negative 1 times negative 9 will give me positive 9p square. Negative 1 times p will give me negative p, and negative 1 times 8 gives me negative 8. So down here I'm going to highlight for you, okay, that the sign is very important here. Be very careful when you expand the brackets. Here, positive 4 times 2p square gives me plus 8p square. No problem there. Positive 4 times negative p gives me negative 4p. Positive 4 times 2 gives me plus 8. So I have completed step 1, which is expand the brackets. Next one I do here is this. I will collect the like terms. So I get 9p square plus 8p square minus p minus 4p minus 8 plus 8. I've collected all my like terms together. 9p square and 8p square, 9 plus 8 gives me 17p squares. Negative p minus 4p gives me negative 5p, and negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So this is the simplified expression for 4C. Now I will do 4D. Let me quickly copy out the question. Plus 2p minus 3 minus 2 negative 3p square plus 8p minus 6. Same thing, rinse and repeat. First we expand the brackets. 7 times negative p square gives me negative 7p square plus 14p. 7 times negative 3 gives me negative 21. Okay, here's where it gets a bit tricky. Here it is minus 2. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 3 gives me positive 6p square. Negative 2 times 8 gives me negative 16p. Negative 2 times negative 6 gives me positive 12. So once again, you don't need to highlight this in the examination. I'm just going to highlight it for you so that you are aware that there is a change in sign. Negative 2 and 6 is positive 12. Then we collect like terms. Negative 7p square plus 6p square plus 14p minus 16p minus 21 plus 12. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative p square. 14 minus 16. 14p minus 16p is negative 2p. If you have issues with this, just 14 minus 16 is negative 2. So I get a negative 2p. Oops, I wrote down negative 2p already. Negative 21 plus 12. So I just negative 21. Negative 21 plus 12. I get a negative 9 minus 9. So this thing don't have. So it's negative p square minus 2p minus 9. Don't need to use correction tape, just cancel. Okay, this one's a bit untidy. You can just use a ruler to strike it off. It's alright. Okay, and that's my final answer for 4D. Thank you for watching.